Hi, this is John, and today I'm gonna unbox these 2023 Swift Soon Challenge winner prize. I'm personally going to San Francisco this year for a WWDC 23 event. Hopefully I'm gonna meet Tim Cook and Craig Federighi there. But this package has arrived today. It's supposed to actually arrive yesterday, but I missed it, so I went all the way to FedEx to pick it up. So let's do this. Senpai Apple. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna unbox it. Hey, make sure my face is in it, okay? So, I don't know what I'm cutting. I'm cutting something. This is weird. This is not like a typical Apple package because it doesn't involve the pull tab. The green pull tab, the Apple just includes in every single package. So I'm gonna have to just rip it off. Very violent. There's so much paper, which is very un-Apple. Thank you, Apple. I'm sorry for the middle finger. But this is a prize. And you know what? You know what the best part about it is? There's an Apple logo. That's the best part. It makes all the difference. The Steve Jobs little Apple logo. Swift Soon Challenge 2023. Looks sick, right? Now I'm gonna unbox it. Oh man, this is very un-Apple. As I repeat, look at this. Do you think this is Apple? Probably not. Okay. There we go. It says Swift Soon Challenge.
What happened?
I got this manual. Hopefully I get an Apple sticker, I don't know. No Apple sticker. Just this. Yeah. Congratulations. I'm probably gonna like stick it on my t-shirt or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna open this thing. Come. Yeah. That's it. So this is for my cameraman. It's an AirPods Pro, 2nd generation. It's the newest AirPods, worth around what, $400 I think? Yeah, $400 CAD. So the winner prize. There you go. And then the pins. Okay, sure. I wish they gave me a MacBook, but I guess not. I got this WWDC hoodie. That's it. This is it. Which I'm gonna wear right now because it's getting colder. So live reveal. God. Yeah. So this is it. This is the WWDC 23 hoodie. And that's it. That's basically it. There's nothing more. So I got this little plan card. I got the pins. I got AirPods Pro 2nd generation, MagSafe, blah 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 blah. And I got this thing. So that was it. Thanks guys.